where I'm going. But I'm gonna try for the kingdom if I can, 'cause it makes me feel like I'm a man when I put a spike into my vein. And I tell you, things aren't quite the same when I'm rushing on my run, and I feel just like Jesus' son. And I guess that I just don't know, and I guess that I just don't know. Made big decision. I'm gonna try to nullify my life, 'cause when the blood begins to flow, when it shoots up the dropper's neck, when I'm closing in on death, you can't help me, not you guys, or all you sweet girls with all your sweet talk. You can all go take a walk, and I guess I just don't know, and I guess that I just don't know. That I was born 1,000 years ago. I wish that I'd sail the darkened seas on a great big clipper ship, going from this land here to that, on a sailor's suit and cap. Away from the big city, where a man cannot be free of all of the evils of this town, and of himself and those around. Oh, and I guess that I just don't know. Oh, and I guess that I just don't know. Heroin be the death of me. It's my wife and it's my life, because a mana to my vein leads to a center in my head, and then I'm better off than dead. When the smack begins to flow, I really don't care. God that I'm not aware